Alright, so another quick project tonight. The bulbs in the back of my SVT Focus here, 2004. One of them is about to fall out, the little lens, and the bulbs in both of them are out. So we're going to get to the bottom of it, get them swapped, see what's going on, and get it legal again. Alright, so I'm going to take this easy one out first. This one I don't even need the screwdriver for. Just pull this guy down. And here's the wires. There we go. And then with this other one, there's this little tab right here. I'm going to kind of grab it right there and kind of pull it down. Get my little screwdriver in there. And same deal, pull it down. Alright, so this one obviously didn't even have a bulb in it. And this one, the bulb is burned out and it's pretty corroded and nasty. So I actually got new lenses and new bulbs. Alright, so here's the new lens. It's a Dorman part number, 68160. That's just what my local part store had. And then the bulbs are this Sylvania 6418. So to get the bulb in here, you just take this little point, put it down in there, then you gotta kind of force this thing down in there. It's kind of easier said than done here. Kind of bend these down so that it has a shot here, but that's where it's gotta go, so you can see how bad those things have to get bent. Alright, there it is. The bulb's in place. I'm gonna kind of work this so it's more in the middle, straighten things out a little bit with a screwdriver. Okay, so now you can see that bulb is sitting a little more to the middle there, a little more naturally. So now I'm just gonna take the small connector, hook it up, and the large connector, hook it in, and then this little clip slides in like that. Then you just kind of finagle it in there, and there it is. Now I'll just do the same thing for the other side. Alright, well, we're back in business, back legal, and I think they look good. So thanks for watching.